The process of our game or our model learning how to play. I'm gonna use this example because it's learning faster. This one takes quite a while to learn something, so then I'm gonna be using this one and the Flappy Bird one. So let's say start. We start the process, and you can see that the card is pretty stupid. They don't move much. This one moved but straight. And yeah, it's a bit better. Oh, look, in the second generation it's already pretty, see, and the process it's a bit randomic, as you can see on the previous videos, and sometimes it learns very fast. And the process of learning, you can see it's based on the inputs of the sensor that it's on each car. So you're gonna just display from the best car, but it's all the cars here has sensors and will be computed based on the sensors. You can see it learns pretty fast. It is insanely good sometimes, and so if we use the backpropagation, it will take forever to learn things like that. Let's see another example now. The Flappy Bird one. Start there, so pretty not so smart, just going straight. Then try it again, basically not doing much. It's kind of pretty stupid, but then we speed up things. Then we're gonna be training over and over, and eventually it will become good. Let's see. Not really. Let's try it again. Let's fresh. Now yeah, it's learning pretty good. Let's speed it up a bit. Yeah, and it's already learned pretty well. You saw that in the first round didn't learn much because from some reason the best ones or the generation was based on a stupid species that never learned anything. But when you get the right one and learn pretty fast, you can see it's already learned how to play it. And I'm gonna show another video where I'm gonna try to play those games, and it is very hard to play, but the machine learns it very fast and really good. Doesn't matter the speed, always perform well. And it's basically that's the process. So it's a very efficient strategy and pretty fast, so don't need GPU or anything like that. And you can apply that for games, but for robotics as well. So it's as long as you are able to calculate fitness. On this case here, to calculate the fitness, you need to kind of see where the pipes are and how far you can move forward. And we're going to show a little bit more about the games itself. The intention here is not to explore much of the games, let's say the engine itself. So I took an example from the internet, but we're gonna see how to kind of translate what is happening here to our model. As I said on the first one here, the inputs, it is the sensors in the cars, but the input here, it is basically the position of pipes. That's our inputs. And I'm gonna look a little bit later and how it is built. But yeah, thank you very much. See you in next lecture.